Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. I got a rear cargo basket with storage bag kit for the Sienna. We are always trying to make our little Sienna camper into something cooler, and we're hoping that this will help us with storage. Now, of course, since we live in a time when if it isn't locked up, it's not safe, probably only going to be putting things like a cooler on this, but it's nice to know that it's available if we have something we want to haul home. So it's a little extra power, extra placement, and it's quite large. We'll go ahead and get it out of the box here. It's a little heavier than I thought it was going to be, but I guess that's a good thing because it means it's built well. There we go. Looks like there's definitely some setup to it, but it doesn't look terrible, at least not right now. Here's the bag for it. And here is the hitch portion. And it looks like they've put all the nuts and bolts right there. There we go. I bet it goes like this. All right, so it says tool-wise, you're gonna need a 17, a 19, a 24, and a pair of adjustable wrenches. I just use channel locks here. As far as installing it, step one, it looks like align two platform halves on either side of shank. Install the bolts. All right, once you've got the bottom bolted in there, you have these two end plates, and there are enough nuts and bolts here to deal with that. So you just put those in, they're 13s, and tighten those down. And that's gonna finish giving you the rigidity between the two halves. Now, there's not a lot of setup to this, honestly. It'll take but about 15 minutes, I'd say, from the time it gets out of the box to the time I'll have this thing on the car, which is nice, because it does kind of look a little ugly over there. Look like it might rain. And that's it for install. Super easy. It does come with a hitch pin, which I'll install here in a second. And that's all there is to it. So 8, 9, 10, 11 bolts to get this thing lined up. It also comes with, where did I put it? Oh, yeah. It comes with a little lock, and that is for the bag here that we have. Nice waterproof bag. And bungee cords and tie down straps. So a really nice kit here. 4 tie down straps, whole bunch of like cargo cord netting, and a waterproof bag that can be strapped in and locked up on here. The weight limit on this is 500 pounds. How well that works. Oh, and it even comes with, wow, even comes with a bunch of cinch straps to kind of lock it in place. Yeah, and there's a whole bunch of hold downs you can see. Strap this thing down to the bottom. Nice and reflective. So that sits in there. That's the bottom. There's the top. Nice. Like so. Very cool. All right, let me get the camera off the tripod. We'll do a quick walk around, and that'll wrap it up. I'll go ahead and fold this just to show you the rest of it and what it all comes with. All right, so here it is up close and personal. It's a large amount of space. So we were thinking with this, I've got an e-bike, and we have a little motorcycle carrier, but it's way overkill for that e-bike. The e-bike's way smaller. Measured it out, it'll fit on here, and then we can put some random stuff like a cooler is what I was thinking to help finish it out. It's got nice reflective bits on the sides here to keep anybody from tripping over it, hopefully at night, including myself. And like I said, a really nice thick waterproof bag with straps. There's your cinch straps for it. 4 ratchet straps and cargo netting that you can clamp on, like elastic cargo netting. So really nice. Yeah. And there's the little lock it comes with, and a nice pin. Weight capacity is again 500 pounds. And even though I got my license covered up here, it doesn't block the license plate on this. Probably won't block it on yours. It hangs pretty low. And so that's really nice. I like it. I like it. All right, well, here we are. Got the camper set up, hanging out here. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these things. And I guess for today, that'll do it. Till next time, my friends, take care.